Hello all. Today we are going to see about the unit number 2, that is data processing for additive manufacturing. So in data processing for additive manufacturing, before going into the unit, we all must know what is additive manufacturing. Additive manufacturing is the process that is a modern manufacturing technique where the layer by layer manufacturing is done. There is no wastage. The product is created directly by the machine without any processing further. So what is the difference in the additive manufacturing and conventional manufacturing is there is no wastage and the elimination of the cost and as well as the component is manufactured accurately and precisely. That is very much important in choosing this technique. So here the data is processed by a CAD is CAD model is converted into STL file, and then the STL file is then loaded in the machine, and then the machine starts reading the STL file, and then it builds the product layer by layer. That is how the process. And let us see in the upcoming slides. So there are different types of CAD data formats. We must know the meaning of the CAD, that is the computed design or drawing. It may contain a 2D or a 3D design. The generated CAD software program which can be used to create models or architecture plans. 2D CAD files are often referred to as a drawing file, while the 3D files are often called as modeling or parts or assemblies. So here the first CAD file format is the STEP. So STEP is abbreviated as Standard for the Exchange of Product Data. So it is the most widely used CAD file format. So this format is conjunction with ISO 10303. This ISO 10303 is the standard for computer representation of product manufacturing information. This most modern CAD software supports this file format. STEP can support both single file and assembly file format. It also can contain the BOM, that is the bill of materials. So the next file format is the virtual reality modeling language. This is one of the non-proprietary file format actually used for the representation of the 3D graphics and interactive vector graphics, which is developed in conjunction with the Web 3D consortium. So the VRML file is format is usually used by the graphics designers. It is used for the web graphics. So in the website designing, they can use this VRML format in order to specify the color of the surface, textures, transparency, and other important graphical concepts. So this is used for graphics purpose, especially in web designings. So this VRML and its successor, its updated version is the X3D, have become international ISO standards, and this format is first specified in the year 1994. So X3D is approved later on in the year 2005. Both file formats are non-proprietary and can be opened with a variety of programs. So that is a specialty of the VRML file format. The third file format is the IGES. IGES is abbreviated as the Initial Graphics Exchange Specification. So it is another populated non-proprietary file format. So this is developed in the year 1980 and it is used in the CAD industry since then. It is developed exclusively by the US Air Force, but once they have started to use other technology, the file format is taken over by ANSI. So this file format is used to display the wireframes and the circuit diagrams. So the specialty here is the wireframe model. Wireframe model means you can see the edges, you can see the hidden curves and all in the geometries. So in the electrical science, we can use this format to specify the circuit diagrams. This file format, because of its lack of color, so there is no color and rendering and texture, it should generally not be used to share designs with the third party unless they know the design process or the product. So here this IGES is a format where it is used for the creation of the wireframe model and the circuit diagrams. So it cannot be used for any other purpose. That is what the drawback of this file format. So the common file type in the AutoCAD is that drawing, that is a DWG and the DXF file formats. Thank you.